You need to hear this if you love the satisfying pop of knuckles. It's not bone-breaking, it's science. And no, your hands won't crumble. That sound? It's gas, not bones. Synovial fluid lubricates your joints and traps gases like nitrogen. When you stretch a joint, the pressure drops and bubbles collapse. Boom. Pop. Myth busted. Decades of studies show it doesn't cause arthritis. It can irritate soft tissue or reduce grip strength for a bit if you overdo it, so be chill. Want more weird body facts? Hit follow and don't crack under curiosity.